So, pop quiz for you. You're thinking about selling your house, you're staring at your kitchen, and you're looking at it knowing it's outdated, and you don't know what to do to bring it into the modern times. You maybe even have a tight budget, and you don't know what you can spend that will bring that house to a place that the buyer says, wow, when they walk in and want to throw lots of cash at you to buy your home. I got a few tips for you that I think will help you get started down that path. So, number one, obviously keep in mind the kitchen is critical to the first impression a buyer is going to make. It's probably the number one reason someone is going to buy a house is the kitchen, it's first impression. So, we don't want to miss on this one. Number two, when you begin the process of staging this house, you want to think about it from the standpoint that less is more. So decluttering your kitchen is a critical first step. You want to remove all unnecessary knickknacks, appliances, small tiny things that are on the countertops that are distracting and just unnecessary. Also consider adding little small pops of color to the countertops in just really practical ways, things that are probably already in your house. A bowl of fruit like limes and lemons and oranges can go a long way. A colorful jar that draws the attention towards the kitchen. There's tons of ideas out there on Pinterest and Google just to help you figure out what you like and what works for you. Also, another option you can consider is just a fresh coat of paint on the cabinets. It's amazing what that paint can do to bring new energy to the kitchen. It's the craziest thing. You don't have to replace them, but one fun DIY project you can do or hire a handyman to do is think about removing some of the doors on the upper cabinets and replacing them with a see-through window pane, something that will be a showstopper that will draw eyes to the kitchen. And you combine that with the paint and you got a wow factor. You can also consider replacing your bigger appliances like your microwave, your oven, and stovetop, and your dishwasher and refrigerator with stainless steel appliances. It's energy efficient and just that beautiful silver kind of metallic color. It also draws eyes to the kitchen and it's attractive to the buyer knowing that they're not burning as much energy on some old fossil type of appliance in the kitchen. You also have other small cost-effective options available like the peel and stick faux tile, or if you have a little bit of budget you can also of course spend to do more extravagant show-stopping backsplash, replacing countertops with things like butcher block, polished concrete, Carrara marble, or quartz are all very popular options right now. You have a lot of ways you can go with this, and this will help you stage the house so that someone says, I want this to be my forever home, and they want to spend top dollar. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and I'll point you in the right direction. But good luck with the sell.